With WorkMax, some other solutions, we have some silly solutions that we use. We tried to see how much money that we can save by buying an electric scooter. It was kind of a weird solution, but we bought an electric scooter for a project, and the whole purpose of the scooter was to get around the project faster to see if we could get more accomplished. And then we thought we should try to track our time with WorkMax to see if it actually was working. Because sure, you went from point A to point B as fast as you could on the electric scooter, but it was able to give us a solid background of, hey, you've bought this scooter and this is actually increasing your guys' productivity by 10 hours a week just because of the scooter. So it gave us a good solution.